The night sky is divided into 88 regions known as constellations. Within these regions are the recognisable star patterns called asterisms. In this video I'm going to show you how to sketch 4 well-known and recognisable asterisms: the Plough, Cassiopeia, Cygnus and Orion. I'm going to start by drawing the Plough. The top of the saucepan is very easy to draw, the first 2 stars like that, and then I can draw in the bottom. First of all, 1 star here. The one on the other side is actually slightly further down than this star, so the saucepan shape isn't quite symmetrical. To draw the handle, take the star at the bottom right and the star at the top left and keep going in that kind of direction. A similar distance, slightly less, and you can draw the first star, then a second star which is slightly closer. To draw the final star, look at these 2 stars and try and draw it so that it's parallel more or less with those 2 stars. And there you have the basic shape of the Plough. You'll notice I haven't sketched in any lines because when you look at the night sky there aren't any lines there either. Now we'll look at Cassiopeia. Cassiopeia has a very distinctive W shape which looks as though someone's taken a W and sort of stretched it out a little bit on the left hand side. So if we start on the left, we'll draw that star first of all. Then the next one is slightly further to the right than you would expect for a W. This one's in more or less the right position, then down a little bit, and then it's the final star is up above the W like that. So you've got a deeper bend to the W there than you have over here. Cygnus has the shape of a cross. Now I'll start by drawing the star at the centre of the cross. Deneb, which is the star above, rather than being directly above, is slightly to the right hand side. And then I can draw the star below, which is a similar distance below, slightly to the right as well, not much. And then below that, a bigger distance below, is the star at the bottom of the cross shape. Then we need to draw the 2 handles of the cross. So we go across, similar distance to Deneb above the centre, but slightly down on this side, and likewise on the other side, slightly down. And there we get the distinctive lopsided cross of Cygnus. Finally, we have Orion, one of the most distinctive and beautiful of all the constellations. We'll start by drawing the top right-hand star. Now, the stars almost fall into a sort of a rectangle, but on this side of the rectangle, your first star is slightly lower down, and on this side, the star is slightly further up. So we have this sort of trapezium shape, and then finally, in the middle, narrower than the actual rectangle that we've got 3 stars that go diagonally up to the right, like that, which form the belt.